They say anybody wey beat drum of shame for you, na im go later dance to am. As e dey be like dis, omo, Ipa don dey dance to im tune o, as the whole family of the Daniels don stand up on top of dis matter of Regina Daniel and her best friend Cassie Snow, wey Ipa send say make dem come kpakpo her over money wey dey lost and other things wey im say e lost for im house. Na im dey say Mama Regina Daniel now dey stand on top of the matter, say she know where Ipa problem dey come from. Because of say, una know say Mama Regina celebrated her birthday yesterday, abi na day before yesterday when this whole drama start. Na im Mama Regina celebrate her birthday. Now, in order for her to be happy, she bought so many things, like she bought rice, spaghetti, as in food stuff, plenty, carry go her people place dem wey she know talk say they deserve am and they need am. No be today they dey do am o, but virtually all the times na Ned Nwoko dey always dey send them during Christmas season, make them go do this giveaway. But this time around, they couldn't do the giveaway because Ned Nwoko no send them. But she get am for mind say she go do her own giveaway for her birthday wey dey come up January. And she never lied, because we are in January and she celebrated her birthday day before yesterday. Na im they say Mama Regina come pack food stuff go the places where she know talk say she dey always dey pack and go on a normal time. Come see people, come see women, everybody turn up. Everybody dey happy say Mama Regina came through. Now, the thing wey come happen for there be say, they say Mama Regina come dey tell them say toh, nothing concern her with Ipa again o. No be Ipa na im send her message o. This one na birthday gift na im she bring come for them. No be from the senator or anybody, na from her and her children. Na everybody come dey happy, dey jolly. Now, wetin the thing wey dey there be say, Ipa don already know talk say for the fact say Mama Regina do this one and come go there go exempt herself from him, say no be him send her this one, that one, he know talk say he don lose finish coming next election. See 2027 wey dey backyard here, he don know say nothing for Lagbaja. Na that one na dey say e pain am to im bone marrow. Mama Regina just do the giveaway finish. She never even reach house. Na dey send warrant, allegedly, according to the information wey dey fly about, say make dem go kpakpo Regina Daniel brother wey be Sammy, and also her friend wey be Cassie Snow. Now, according to this same Regina talk am say this warrant dey for everybody head, including the mama. Wetin they do? Shebi the mama follow two thief for im house? Abi the brother follow come im house too come thief? As he say na tiffy, na im be the warrant wey im dey carry up and down, and no longer druggy again. Na tiffy. So Mama Regina too go there go thief, abi how? Na im they say na that one na im pain am. Mama Regina never even reach house after her giveaway. Na im they say Ipa come carry the matter personal, because I believe say na person from there, I say who say dem say, na im go tell Ipa wetin Mama Regina come there come talk. Na im dey say e provocate to say oya make dem come pay am for the fact say she go there go dey talk another thing. Even if they no dey again, must she go there go convince them, go let them know talk say they no dey again, this one is coming from her? But if una check am, no be her fault. She got to explain the whole thing as e suppose, say toh make una see o, this one is not from the distinguished senator o. This one is not from the distinguished senator o. This one is coming from my own side. Shut up your mouth. This one is not coming from the distinguished senator o. This one is from my birthday. Abeg, wetin dey bad inside? Now they say Ned Nwoko come provocate, say oya o, make dem go capture all of them, put together, where they come answer to the money where they carry $40,000 for inside in house. Even though Regina deny and say Nothing like that happen. They no carry any money. Ipa say they carry money. Now Cassie Snow dey for where she dey. Na im Mama Regina finding out say na Ipa na im dey do all these things put together. Na im she provocate go the Umunna, their village, say to she carry Regina Daniel give Ipa for marriage. Na she dey say e collect bride price with im uncles, with im brothers dem, abi? To she now she don come o, say see the bride price wey Ipa give her. She is ready to return it anywhere. Say again, the father wey be Regina Daniel papa, him based on say na lawyer, him wan dey follow the thing for law up and down. Say law own dey waste time because e be like say they dey buy them or something. But since na traditionally and based on where they dey come from, say they go need to carry the thing go shrine, go drop am for there. Say she is ready to go to that shrine and drop this bride price. Say make the Umunna bear her witness. No be say if she don do am finish now, they go later come back come talk say na Mama Regina na im do this one, na Mama Regina do that one. Say because e don dey too much. Only Ned Nwoko dey after im family. If im pikin say e no marry again, na im come be say im go need to dey arrest everybody for the family. If pikin say e no do again, im wan move on. Na bad thing now for where an elderly man dey. Say na im one elder come tell Mama Regina say make e tell Regina make she come apologize to Ned Nwoko. Say na wetin Ned Nwoko dey find be that. Because olden days, if wife offend husband, na wife go beg. Say wife no dey tell man say, no dey tell husband say she's no longer interested. Say na she dey divorce her husband. E no dey possible. So make Regina come out, come apologize to Ned Nwoko. Even if she will not come back, let her just apologize for peace to reign. Na im dey say Mama Regina say no be her daughter na im dey tell that one. After all, na im carry her come outside, come dry her for sun, make online in-laws drag her. But to the glory of God, as he carry her come finish, her grace come shine. Instead wey they go dey drag her, na him dey come dey drag. Na the shame na im dey for im head wey e no fit talk, e no fit come out. E hide himself in shame. Say make dem tell the Ned Nwoko say she herself, she is ready to do anything humanly possible, because the only thing wey dey give am the ododo, the mind to do all these things wey im dey do, na because of say im pay for Regina Daniel head. So for that reason, na she dey say they give bride price to, no be Papa Regina. So she's ready to return the said bride price. Na im dey say the elders, the Umunnas, they tell her say no, say they no dey do like that. Say she no go fit return that money by herself as a woman to the shrine. The shrine forbids a woman returning the bride price. It must come from Papa Regina. So let her go, call Papa Regina and let Ned Nwoko be present, since all of them don agree on one thing. Say they don tire, they wan return the bride price. Say by the time wey they return bride price, Ned Nwoko no get anything on top of Regina head again. So by that time, he go leave the Daniels alone. Abi he no go leave the Daniels alone. And anything wey make am come dey call the Daniels again for inside the matter, na that time they go drag am well as suppose. But for now, they no get mouth because of say im head, im money still dey for Regina Daniel head. Na im the people come tell her say she herself, only her no go fit do am. It is a taboo for a woman to return bride price. Say make she go give her husband the bride price and let them all look for how they go get Ned Nwoko, whether na by hook or by crook. He must come collect im bride price. Mama Regina say everything is all her fault, that she has accepted her fault and she is pleading, begging on the whole Umunna people, say make dem forgive her, make dem no send her away. Say she no know wetin come to her mind when she even dey agree make Regina Daniel go marry such a man. She was thinking, as Regina say she like the man, she was thinking as na elderly man, he should have sense. she no know say na spiritual husband na im dat man be, wey be say you no fit leave am. If you leave am na problem, you stay na problem. So like this, so e no get choice but to leave her daughter alone. After all, it's not coming from her. Say over time she has been the one begging the daughter, begging for the marriage to work. Anytime wey be say Regina complain about am, at the end of the day she go still carry Regina go, make Regina go apologize to am. Whether na Regina wrong o, no be she wrong o, she go beg on Regina's behalf. Regina go still beg am for forgiveness and all. You introduce her daughter to so many things, she no still talk. You still now no rest. You still dey follow the family up and down, up and down. What have we ever done wrong to you to deserve all these things? Say no, enough is enough. Say they dey give am period of 2 good days for Nedwoko to assemble himself, make him collect him bride price. Now say dat 2 days go elapse, even Nedwoko no go come because on several occasions im don tell dem those elders say anybody wey go dey chook mouth for wetin no concern am, the person go collect lawsuit. The person dey go sue am, e go use all im farm money take bail himself. So na wetin make all the elders dey wash their hand comot for inside this matter be that. E no pass like this. Now the homeowners dem don beg dem say abeg make dem save Regina Daniel, make dem set her free because omo things really dey happen for inside life. Make dem no allow this man allow that girl to kpai put like that. If pikin say e no do again, she was only but a child and does not know what she was doing when she got married to that man. So for that reason, as she don come realize herself, there is no harm in she saying she don want to do again. Him now saying according to the elders, say the last time Nedwoko come, he say him if he don pay bride price for woman head, he don pay be that o, he no dey collect bride price back. Say whether he likes it or not, they no give am for the other realm, and for this life na dey carry woman give am. So as such, he no get choice but to collect im bride price. If woman say she no do again, e go collect your bride price. If man say e no do again, you go collect your bride price. Let everybody live their life and move on. So e no get choice but to accept this bride price coming from Regina Daniel mama, based on say people dey drag her say na she na she na she na im make she comot o. Even the papa dey join. So make dem no come talk say the mama no qualify, they go need to dey look for the papa. The both of them, they are very very much ready to handing over and taking over of their daughter from Nedwoko or anybody at all. My people, mama Regina no wan gree o, like she no wan gree at all. Na im be say the thing really don pain her reach. You know say she has been patient over time. She has been extra patient. She has been extra patient. Na Nedwoko dey push her, and e don push her to the limit where she no fit hold am again. Imagine because of one thing wey im just see, wey she just do. For im mind now, mama Regina wan deceive people. She wan comot their mind for where im dey, so that if election come, make dem no vote am. Say if not, why mama Regina no be im even talk am o, na person wey dey close to am talk say na how the matter be this. Allegedly say im dey vex say mama Regina come go there go dey talk say na she get birthday o, nobody send her anything, and this one that one. Say why would she go and start saying those things? Say must she talk? Now say it's good she talk because of make dem know where how they wan take channel their prayer. Una no know say na because of prayer na im make most people dey do giveaway. Na because of prayer some people dey do giveaway. So if she decide to do giveaway for her birthday, she deserve prayer. No be say they go come carry her accolade dey give another person. Even though Nedwoko dey always dey cook as usual, wey make people confuse, dey call am dey thank am, whereas no be him dey do the needful. So but last omo e don finally cast. Mama Regina now wey bin dey support don wash her hand comot inside. I wonder who go come dey now for the matter on behalf of Regina Daniel. I wonder who go come dey for the matter now, because at least if the mother bin dey with am, anyhow wey e be, they go dey beg make Regina return. But now wey the mother don provocate too, let's see how it goes. My people, na the matter be this o. Make una come, make we interact. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share, like for more like, mind and more recommendation. I remain your humble girl, Gifted Gist. I'm the bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.